Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn about a very important topic in English grammar, narration rule. Rules for narration, also known as direct and indirect speech, involve changing quotation marks and punctuation, adjusting pronouns, shifting tenses back, and altering certain time and place expressions to convey someone's word in your own way. In simple words, direct speech involves quoting the exact words spoken by a person, while indirect speech, also known as reported speech, involves reporting that someone else has said without quoting their exact words. In this video, we will learn certain important rules for changing the pronouns, verb tenses, and sometimes the time expressions while converting direct speech into indirect speech. First is am or is indirect speech should be converted to was in indirect speech. Let us understand this with the help of an example. The example of direct speech is I am happy, she said. While writing it in indirect speech, we will write she said that she was happy. As you can see, am in the direct speech has been converted to was or replaced by was in the indirect speech. Next up, are in direct speech will be written as were in indirect speech. Example, they are playing, he said. In indirect speech, we will write he said that they were playing. So, as you can see, the are here is replaced by were in the indirect speech. Next is was or were in direct speech will be written as had been in indirect speech. Example, in direct speech we will write I was there, Runa said. In indirect speech we will write Runa said that she had been there. So as you can see, here was has been replaced by had been in the indirect speech. Next is have or has. Have or has in direct speech will be written had in the indirect speech. Example, she has finished, he said. This is the direct speech. In indirect speech we will write he said that she had finished. As you can see, has in the direct speech has been replaced by had in the indirect speech. Next is can. Can in direct speech will be written as could in indirect speech. Example, in direct speech we will write I can help you, he said. Now in indirect speech we will write he said that he could help me. Next is may. May in direct speech will be written as might in indirect speech. Example, I may come tomorrow, she said. This is the example of direct speech. In indirect speech we will write she said that she might come the next day. As you can see here, may has been written as might in indirect speech. Next is must. Must can be written as such or can be written as had to plus the verb. Example, Indirect speech, it is written, "You must study. Teacher said." In indirect speech, we will write, "The teacher said that we must study." Next is pronouns. I will be converted to he or she. You have to change appropriately. Example, indirect speech we will write, "I love this song. John said." While converting this sentence to indirect speech, we will write, "John said that he loved that song." Next is now. Now will be written as then in indirect speech. Example, "I am busy now," she said. In indirect speech, it will be written as, "She said that she was busy then." Next is today. Today, indirect speech will be written as that day in indirect speech. Example, "I will go today," he said. In indirect speech, we will write, "He said that he would go that day." Next is quotation marks. In indirect speech, the quotation marks are removed and that is inserted instead. For example, "She is kind," he said. In indirect speech, we will write, "He said that she was kind." As you can see, the quotation marks has been removed and that is inserted after "he said."